What's up, guys? This is how to get Spotify Premium for free. This is not the BS way where you have to download two different apps and it still doesn't download and stuff like that. This is like how to get it legit. It's definitely works for me. As of December 19th, this is working. So if this is like 2 months later you're watching this video, there's a chance it might not work this way because these apps like constantly get revoked. That's just how these type of apps are. But so as soon as you see this video, I would get right on it. But so basically what you do, or first I'm gonna show you. If I open my Spotify up, go to account, it does show I have premium, so it's just to prove it right there. Also, first I'm gonna delete this app just so I can show I can download it again, and it works perfectly fine. In the past, the way I would do it is I would use this little App Valley app in the bottom left. That got revoked. The App Valley app itself got revoked. So the way to do it now, which I'll have the link in the description, is you go to their website, which you just open a Safari, then it'll take you to the website, and it'll be like this. You just scroll down a little bit, and then see Spotify plus, hit get, and then hit get again, then hit install, and then there's gonna be a little icon like that shows up. Basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna wait 30 seconds to a minute, however fast your internet speed is really to download this app. So basically you're just gonna wait. I'm not gonna cut anything out just to show you I'm not putting in bullshit, but basically like that. It's gonna just show up like that, where you can actually see the icon itself like a normal Spotify icon. So after that, you're gonna go to settings, general, and then you're gonna see something called profiles and device management. Now I have two at the top. You're probably not gonna have two at the top. You probably just have this one at the bottom that says Wuhan something. Basically, you're gonna click on that and hit trust, and then trust again, and then boom, you have Spotify Premium. It's really that simple. Now you just open up the app, and this is all the things it does, like unlimited skips, no ads, stuff like that. Just hit thanks, and then after that, I'm already logged in. But normally, basically, you just log in on your normal account that you would normally use Spotify on, and it's gonna give you premium on that account. So you'll save all your playlists and stuff like that. Now the only ads you will get are these little like 5-second ads. As you can see at the top right, the timer's going down. You just hit X on it, and X pops up. That's the only ads you're going to get on this. Basically just when you're on like the home pages and stuff like that, there's not going to be any ads that interrupt your music or anything like that. So basically, I open up my playlist. You can tell it's the premium version of it. I'm not going to play any music because YouTube's a bitch about that. But hopefully it works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.